Four-wheel drive, also known as 4x4, refers to a two-axle vehicle drivetrain that is capable of providing torque to all of its wheels simultaneously. There are various reasons a vehicle owner would prefer a four-wheel drive vehicle over a two-wheel drive vehicle, which is commonly seen as 2WD. These reasons will be discussed later on. The transfer case is the key driveline mechanism found in four-wheel drive vehicle layouts when the rear axle is the primary drive and the front axle is the secondary drive. The transfer case is responsible for receiving mechanical power from the transmission and transferring that power to the front and rear axles via drive shafts. Transfer cases consist of mechanical hardware, electrical hardware, and control software. There are different types of transfer cases and subsystems, which provide varying amounts of vehicle performance capabilities. A vehicle operator can influence the driving performance of the four-wheel drive vehicle using various human-machine interfaces, or HMIs, that work with the transfer case system.